Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build your custom preload strategy in the lazy loading concept. Come, let's dive in. So this is the application that we were talking about in the previous videos. So what I'm going to do here is you have to just come and create a preload strategy. Okay, so let's go to this file, and this file I have named as custom preload strategy that implements preloading strategy. Preloading strategy is something coming from the Angular router, so you just need to implement this. The only implementation method from this preloading strategy is the preload method. Basically, the preload method will have the route and the load function, and it returns an observable of any. What we are going to do is we are going to pass a data from the route, and the data property will be preload true or false. Okay, so what we are going to check here is if there is a data property in the route, and if the data property is preload is true, if both condition meets, then load that module. If that condition doesn't meet, do not load that module. Okay, now let's go back. The only change that you have to do is here preload strategy. Earlier we had preload all modules. Instead of that, just replace this with the custom preload strategy module that we created, the class that we created. And then there are two routes here. One is the product route, one is the admin route. Here what we are going to do is we are going to pass data, and inside data there is a property called preload, which is true for product and which is false for admin, which means when the application starts, after the initial load, the product module alone will be automatically downloaded, not the admin module. Admin module will be downloaded on demand because we do not have set to true this. Now, here's the application. I'm going to refresh. You can see the bunch of information was downloaded. Along with that, you can see 856, which is the product module. The product module was downloaded automatically, and then let's say I clear this, I click on admin. Admin module is downloaded only when there is a on-demand call. When there was a demand, it was downloaded. This happened only because we were sending some data here, which route has to be downloaded, which route should not be downloaded. Okay, this is the custom strategy. Now let's take a little harder step. Let's go inside this custom strategy. Okay, and all what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this logic with another logic. So let's comment this. This time it's going to be the same preload, everything the same. The only difference is I have an interface called navigator extended interface. That name is extended navigator. Okay, there is some property called connection property. So basically connection property will tell us what is the speed of the user's internet. Okay, so here what we are going to do is if the connection is 2G or 2G slow, which means they're really using very slow internet, like probably uh, they're connected to the hotspot of their mobile, and the mobile speed was drastically, the internet speed was drastically down. They're trying to open up our application. Let's take that way, right? Or maybe there are users across the globe, and people who are opening it from a different place, they do not have a high-speed internet. So all we are going to do is we are going to check his effective type, and if that belongs to this, there if the user's internet speed is this, then we detect this as slow network. Do not download automatically. Only on demand we download it. Okay, that is what this logic is going to do. Okay, so in this example, actually my internet is super fast. It's going to show as 4G. I will demonstrate that. So I'm going to make this as the other way around so that I can show you only for the demo purpose. Let's say if it is not a slow version, then do not download, and if not, it's download. Okay, so let me open up. So let's open up this application. It's going to load. Okay, now those two files was not downloaded. If I go here, it will download here. Okay, so let's go to source, and I will put a breakpoint. Okay, now let's go back. You can see actually the connection is 4G. Okay, so you can actually detect this network information also, and accordingly you can actually put this preload strategy. Now this is just an example. I'm going to comment this. I will give you this code, but I hope you understand this video. I hope you understand this concept of custom preload strategy for your lazy module concept. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and never forget to click on the bell icon.